Hi, it's me, Veronica V, Power Coach. So the fact that you are knowledgeable in a certain area, the fact that you're a specialist in a certain area, and you want to create an online course, online program to take your clients, your tribe from A to B, from pain to gain, doesn't mean that you have the ability to teach it effectively. So when I'm working with my clients, it's a very important step to be able to teach what you know effectively, because we want your students to have results. And that lies in your ability to teach that skill, to teach that concept, to teach that process. So what we did with my client was we went through her story. We crafted her story, and what we did was find the sequence. When you're teaching a certain concept, a certain skill, abstract, it can be a mindset thing, it can be a physical skill, you need to find the sequence. So we went down memory lane and we replayed the whole journey that she had been through and literally looked at the steps, the processes, the skills that she had to learn, the processes that she had to go through to be able to reach where she was. So my message today is, if you have an online course, online program, and you're knowledgeable about it, find the sequence and how you're going to teach it so that you take your students through a journey of milestones, of processes, of systems that will eventually give them an outcome, a result that you have promised them. I hope you found this useful and helpful. Comment below. How do you guarantee your students results in your online program? Let's have a conversation.